ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवम् उपास्महे। श्री हयग्रीवाय नमः। Let me invite you all for the Amritavarshini's annual music festival. This is the 6th annual music festival that we are conducting in the COVID situation, where we are not allowed to gather at a place, where we are asked to maintain social distance. We are conducting this online only, this program, and today's program where we are featuring Sri Ramamurthy Garu, who is the vocalist of Hyderabad, renowned vocalist, and the program we are going to start with the Jyoti Prajwalanam. I request the esteemed artist Sri Ramamurthy Garu to light the lamp, and also the accompanying artist also to participate in the lighting of the lamp. I request Narayan Rao Garu to light the lamp, who is the secretary of Kalasagaram. Narayan. Mr. Narayanan to light the lamp. Let me give you a small introduction about Amritavarshini Music Association. The Amritavarshini Music Association was formed in the year 2014, and the objective was to promote the Carnatic classical music in the locality of Meerpet, Hyderabad, which is nearby Midhani Township, DRDO Midhani Township. And in that part of classical music, in Hyderabad and Secunderabad, we have Kalasagaram and Sika. These are most popular music associations which are conducting classical music concerts and which are providing a platform for classical musicians. And in the line of their activity only, we have also thought of conducting, organizing an association, and that was that we could do in the year 2014 with the name Amritavarshini Music Association. And ever since its inception, we have conducted 5 concerts every year, and this is the 6th concert we are conducting in a row. And previously we featured Vijayanagaram Vardhini Garu and D.V. Mohan Krishna Garu, Vasa Gopinath Garu, and such. And Sri Vidya Janakiraman Garu. These were artists whom we featured, and luckily this time we are getting Ramurthy Garu to give his concert, and with the grace of Lord Hayagriva Swami, and as a devotion to him only, we are conducting these music concerts. We believe in music as a meditation, music as a tool of worship to Lord, and in that belief only we are conducting music concerts. And luckily we have a few gentlemen who have associated with this objective, and we are all able to conduct this music concert every year. And this time we are going to have a concert of Ramurthy Garu, and I request my fellow associate Madhusudan Garu to give an introduction of Ramurthy Garu, and also the accompanying artists Jayabhaskar Garu on Mridangam and Dinakar Garu on violin.
I have got short time, that's why I am just reading out, sir. Sri Nagaraja Ramamurthy Garu, sir is a Vice President leading Biological E Limited, a pharma company in Hyderabad, as Vice President and a chartered accountant. So professionally he is a chartered accountant, but due to passion on the music, then he just taken up this activity. We are blessed, sir. And so sir Ramamurthy Garu has had his initial lessons from Sri H.S. Gururajacharya Garu, and subsequently came under the guardianship of late Sri B.R.C. Iyengar, belonging to the Ariyakodi Parampara. Sir also had the opportunity to learn from late Sri M.N. Subramanian, belonging to the Samangudi Bani. Samangudi, sir. Just repeat, sir. Ramurthy sir also had the opportunity to learn from late Sri M.N. Subramanian, belonging to the Semangodi Bani. Ramurthy Garu is an A-grade artist and All India Radio, and has given many performances in various sabhas across South India. Sir has been performing in various sabhas in the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad and Chennai also. So we extend our warm welcome to sir to continue with this program. Now, any music program without the accompanying artist is incomplete. So now we have our two accompanying artists here. One is Sri Dinakar Ramaraju Garu, he is a violinist, and another one is Sri Jayabhaskar Garu on Mridangam. Sri Jayabhaskar Garu, he is also A-grade artist of All India Radio, and his gurus are Padma Shri Dr. Yella Venkateswara Rao Garu, and also Maestro Palghat Maniyar Garu. And it's a small introduction I am giving, and also I just give an introduction of Sri Ramaraj Garu, Sri Dinakar Ramaraj Garu. Sri Dinakar Ramaraj Garu, his gurus are late Sri Sagi Venkateswara Rao Garu and late Sri N.C.H. Krishnamacharya Garu. Sir is also he had diploma in Carnatic music and A-grade artist of All India Radio and our television channels also. And both of them have got many awards for their performance, and they are the part of spreading our culture not only across India and in other countries also by participating in many such cultural programs of our great culture. Thank you, sir. And now I request Sri Ramamurthy Garu to bless us by continuing this program. Thank you.